Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of this course, and in this video we are going to see how to do a keyword research for your next YouTube video just on this YouTube with help of this plugin. So let's say you're going to create a video on weight loss. So just go here and type weight loss. So let me pick this word weight loss exercise at home and click on enter. So on the right side, you can see this search explorer if you have this plugin installed on your Chrome browser. So this search explorer will gives you keyword score and keyword stats. So this is a keyword score and the search volume is very high. So this keyword was searched by a lot of viewers and the competition is also at the same time it's very high. So the overall score given by this plugin is 36 out of 100. So let's go ahead and type some more keyword. But if you're not sure what is the keyword that you want to add to make the competition less for the keyword, just scroll down and you can see related searches. So these searches are actual long tail keywords which was used by the YouTube visitors. So you can go ahead and pick any one of this related search results. So let me pick this weight loss exercise at home for beginners. Home. So I need to add two more words along with this for beginners. So just click on enter. And if you see that this keyword score got changed, the search volume is reduced from high to medium, and at the same time you can see the competition is very less for this particular keyword. So I can go ahead and create a video on this title and I can optimize my video for this keyword. So this is how we have to do a keyword research right from your YouTube website. And if you see here, so after you have created the video for this particular title, and these are the relevant keywords that bring traffic to this title. So this keyword that you are seeing right here, these are all the most commonly used tags. So how they are picking these tags means they just scrap all the tags which was given on all this YouTube video. And there's one thing that we really want to explore, the keyword stats. This keyword stats tells you how they arrive this overall score for this particular keyword that you can see here. This most view just tells how many people have used this keyword and view any particular video, and this will give you the optimization. So whether anybody use this particular keyword in their title, out of 20 there were none of the people have used this particular keyword. So you can gain a traction if you put this long tail keyword on your title, and in a description and in a tag you will have more views. So is there any videos that's published last 7 days? It was 0. What is the top channel that's gaining traffic because of this long tail video? That is Dr. OIZ, and this is the channel that's gaining a lot of traffic for this particular long tail keywords. And videos you own is how many videos of your YouTube channel is gain the traffic of this particular search query. 0 here, because I'm not targeting or I haven't make any video on this particular title, so that's why it shows a 0 here. So that's all about your keyword research, and the most important thing is you can do a keyword research right on your YouTube if you have this plugin installed. So I will catch you in the next video. Until then, bye.